In picking a concealer for your under eye, you need two different types of concealer. One, a concealer that is a shade or two shades lighter than your skin tone, as well as a concealer that is your normal shade, not a shade darker, neither a shade lighter. Do you understand what I just said? Let me reiterate. To pick out your concealer for your under eye or for your brightening zones, you need two concealers. One, a concealer that is one or two shades lighter than your skin tone, as well as a concealer that is your normal shade. All right, let's get into it. And if I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at the end mirror that I have here. This concealer, I'm not sure this concealer is my exact shade, but let's use it for demonstration. All right, over here, I'll move closer so you can see me. I'm moving closer. You want to place the lighter shade concealer here, see, under your eye. This concealer is too bright for me, but this is what I have at the moment. You place it in your under eye. Do you see what I'm doing here? I hope you can see me. You place the concealer under your eye. That is the lighter shade concealer. Then you take the normal shade concealer, the one that is your normal skin tone, right? Bring it to the edge here, this corner of your eye. Bring it here. Oh, you can see me. I'm looking at the mirror so I can know what I am showing you. Put it here. That's all. So you see, the concealer that is one or two shades lighter than our skin, I put it in my inner corner, and the normal shade concealer, I put it on the outer edge. That's all you need to do. Again, ignore the concealer I'm using. It's not my normal shade, right? And it's too bright for me, but this is what I have at the moment. I can't throw it away. So what do you want to do? You grab your beauty blender. You see, you can use different parts to blend, but for the sake of this video, right, I'll be using this pointy part to blend my concealer. And make sure your beauty blender is dampened. Now for me, right, I like to pinch the concealer so that I can easily get into those corners. You understand? So I like to pinch like I'm folding. Do you see what I'm doing? Now look at your mirror. Start blending from the edges outward. Don't go straight into your eye. Start from the edges. And when you're blending, don't drag, okay? Don't drag. You're tapping. See, start from the edges, blend outward. Don't go straight in here. Pardon me. Blend outward. Corner of your nose. Don't ignore that, okay? You see what I'm doing? I hope you can see me. I have to lean forward for the sake of, so you can see what I'm doing close up. So you want to, and when you now get to this eye, right, you're holding your mirror. Hold your mirror to your normal face length. Then either you look upward, or should I say, hold your mirror to your normal face length. Then raise it up a little bit to where you can still see it. Then it forces your eye to look up. Or you can bring your mirror downward. Then you bring your face down. That way, it stretches the skin under your eye. You can easily blend it. Am I making any sense? Let me reiterate. I like to repeat something so you can understand what I'm explaining, so that when you apply it, it's easy for you to understand, all right? Grab your mirror to blend this under eye. Grab your mirror, right? You can either put it at your normal face length, then look downward. Bring your head down. Your normal face length, all right, directly in front of you, not higher, not lower, directly in front of you. Then look downward. It stretches the skin under here. You can easily blend. Or you raise the mirror a bit while still looking downward. It still forces you to stretch this, to look downward, and it stretches the skin under here. Do you understand what I'm saying? Again, mind you, this thing is pinched here. So then I'm going, see, again, you're tapping, you're not dragging. Don't drag. Don't drag. You're just tapping, like you're placing those concealer where it needs to be, because remember, we want to brighten. And you can see I've not touched the edges, right? I've not touched the edges. Remember I said that we are using a normal shade concealer for these edges. You understand? Now, this concealer is really bright for me. It's not my normal shade. It's not 1 or 2 shade lighter for me. So now for this edge, now we're going there. Again, don't forget, pinch or fold your beauty blender. Do you see? This is the back view. Now look at me. Again, always start from the edges. Blend. Okay? Blend. Now, I'm beginning to raise this thing upward because I want a lifted look. Now, see what I'm doing. Pinched it. Now, see? Let me first blend here. Again, don't forget to blend here. Blend here. Blend here. Blend here. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, okay? That's what makeup is. You know, it makes... So now, this edge here, what is left on the beauty blender? See? Just pinch. I hope you can see me. Then press, 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 press. Can you see? Can you see how I brought it up? If it's not straight enough, go in and readjust as much as you want. Baby, you got a facelift. So can you see what we're doing? I didn't put a concealer straight up. It is what is here that we use to lift the face. So there is no harsh line. You understand what I'm saying? So this is how you blend your under eye. So again, if you feel you didn't blend enough, go back in. Go back in. And this tutorial is going to work for any nationality. If you're Nigerian, American, Canadian, Ghanaian, South African, I don't care what ethnicity, this is how you should do it, okay? For facelift, you see, now we got a facelift with this line here. But if you don't want this line here, you can just stop in your corner, outer corner, and that's fine. Now, for this, we can't go out with our makeup looking like this. No. 1 second, please. Now, what are we going to do? You see this line here is really sharp. The part where you used to blend your foundation, can you see? This is the part I used to blend my foundation. So the part where you used to blend your foundation, the residue that is there, right? Just bring it to your face. Just tap. You're tapping the edges out. You know, like when you're fading a line, you have an harsh line, but you're trying to fade it. That's the purpose of going back in with the foundation part to blend out the harsh line. You understand? So you make it inconspicuous, or what is the word again? Can you see? Oh, I brought the concealer upward. No, I don't want it up. Now, can you see? The line is no longer harsh like before. It's now faded in and it blends seamlessly into my foundation and my skin. You understand? That's it. There is no harsh line like, oh, this is where... Can you see up close? Baby, this is exactly how you blend your concealer and apply it. All right? Do the same thing for the other face. So I hope this video, I really hope it's helpful, because genuinely, I don't want to just put information and it's not helpful. If you follow this video, sit with it and follow it line by line. I can bet on it. You're definitely going to make an improvement, and you definitely know what you're doing. You're not going to be clueless. I really hope this video is helpful, and I hope it finds the people that genuinely want it, right? And I'll see you next time, and have a nice time doing your makeup. My name is Abimbola Adeshawa Laoshe. Okay, bye.